Congratulations, we're under contract. Here's the next few steps that we want to look at now that we've gotten a house under contract. First, we need to get the earnest money deposit. So you're going to give that to the title company. The earnest money, if you remember, it gets applied towards the purchase price of the home, but it gets held in the escrow account by the title company. Next up, we have 10 days to get all our inspections done. Let's make sure this home is still going to work for you after we have it checked out. And then once we've done the inspection, we'll have a little round of negotiation after that where we negotiate repairs in a document called the Binzer. So I look forward to walking you through this process. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, at the end of this, I want you to be happy to be able to declare, I'm home.